In this video, you will learn how to change the background color in your Instagram story. So hey, I'm Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guide It. If you want to change the background color in your Instagram story, you have to open your Instagram application. But before starting the video, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss any update in the future. So let's start the video. You have to go to your story section by swiping right side to the page. Now you can see that my story is open. Now I will click on the A alphabet which is on the right side of the page. You can see wherever it is placed on your mobile phone. So I will click on it and now the text story is open. Now if you can see that on the bottom right side of the page, you can see that round circle is present. So I will click on the round circle and here I can change the color of the background according to my need or according to my choice. So this is the button to change the background color of your Insta story. So this is the simple process of changing the background color on in your Instagram story. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss any update in the future. And if you have any confusions in your mind, you can ask them in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.